छुपती जलती गर्मी, छुपती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया, छुपती जलती घमौरियाँ लाया, आया मौसम ठंडे ठंडे गर्मी कूल का, ठंडे ठंडे गर्मी कूल का। This video is not sponsored by Dermicool and not even by the Chupti Jalti Garmi. So guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching Sandy's World and I am Sandy. If you're watching for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please check my previous videos. So in this Chupti Jalti Garmi, I bought a new glove for myself, if you can see this. So this is Koiko MC10 and I bought it for 799 from Amazon. So I will drop the link in the description box below, so you can check that out, and if you want to order that, please go to that link and order it. So for 799 rupees, it's a good deal. I got it today at around 2 o'clock. I just opened it and right now it's around 2:39 in the clock. So I'm going to office and I thought why not use it and check how does it feel while riding. So coming back to Skoiko MC10, my gloves. So I got it today and I ordered this black and white color because I prefer black or white and I like the combination of black and white. So there are different colors available: blue, red and white. So as per your preference, you can order anything you want. I got the black and white one. So the part which is showing as white to you will be red or blue, not the entire glove will be colorful. So previously I had the Pro Bikers gloves, which were not great and I don't recommend that to use because they are not comfortable and they are not great while you ride. And if you are a motor vlogger, it is not at all good because you can't use it. You can't use the phone with that gloves or the tiny dots on the palms. They don't allow you to do anything else, and the fitting inside is also not that great. And they are cheap. I got it for 250 rupees last year, I guess, and still it's around that same price. But it's if you want a glove and you can't afford more than 300, then that is okay. It's better to have something and it has a okay kind of protection. So in this glove, I really like the form on the palms. They are thick and they are giving a lot of support to my palms, and I can feel that sponginess, and I mean it's not bad, but it's a good feeling to wear it. So compared to Pro Bikers, it is way ahead and lot better, lot comfortable. And when I was using Pro Bikers, sometimes in the long rides my fingers used to pain. So hopefully I don't get that in this, because this material is, I think, of better quality than that. Of course this is 3 times costlier than that, so it will be good. So Skoikos are a very good brand for all the bike accessories. I mean, they are one of the top sellings, and most of the accessory shop will have Skoiko because they are imported from China. And They are good. I mean, I don't see any problem while riding with it. And if you see the palms, they have it's a fabric material, and it is good for grip because it is kind of rubberish, and also you can use the mobile phone while riding. You don't have to remove your gloves and then use the phone, which was in the case of the pro bikers, because they have that dot plastic spots. So the best part I feel about this glove is this portion. You see, this portion has a lot of foam here and a rubber coating. So when I extend my hand like this, or if we extend our hands while riding, so it basically adjusts as per your joints and hands. And see, now it's like this, and when I am trying to extend my hand more, it's adjusted automatically, and it's a good pick, I guess. So there are a lot of dots here for some kind of ventilation, which was missing on the pro bikers. And I really like this stitching over here. This is kind of hand markings, and this is a kind of a grippy material. If you see, it's a kind of a mix of leather or something like that, and not leather, but it's a good fabric. So what I was saying is that this extends till here, so you have a lot more protection over here as well. So we have some rubbers over here, and we have 2-3 materials. At the front we have a different material. I think this is a softer one for better comfort, and this is a little thick, and it is a kind of net, I guess, for more air ventilation. And I mean, overall I like it very much. I mean, also it is very comfortable, and I like the branding over here, Scoico, and here is a Scoico logo. So if you see, the velcros are also really good. You can use it the way you want. Overall, I like it very much. And there are also some holes over here at the joints for air pass, so it's a good thing. And also some holes over here for air pass. So overall I feel very good. So gloves play a very important role in riding. You have to choose a good glove which is safe and user friendly. So Scoico MC10 is one of the gloves which are good for daily usage, and you can anytime go for it. Yeah, now I am used to it. So a little pressure and it will be okay for you. So this was all about my gloves, Scoico MC10. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And to get the notification, please hit the bell button, and please comment down below if you have any questions, and I will answer your question as always. I answer almost 99% of my comments, so go ahead and comment. And this is Sandy signing off, and take care and ride safe and wear all your accessories, and have a great day. Thank you so much.